How to recover your forgotten password. If you have forgotten any password of your application or website, now you want to get it back, then this video is for you. For that, simply open your Chrome, then on the top right you will see your profile icon. Simply tap on it. From there, hit on your profile name and scroll down to the last. There you will see manage your Google account option. Tap on it. From here, you have to slide and go through security. Now, scroll down until you see Password Manager. Once you see that, simply tap on it. If you have saved your password while logging to your Google account, then all of your password will be seen over here. But if you have not, then it will not show. Once you get your password over here, you can easily recover it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.